Very good. Hi， 我叫 Alex， 我是美食诊治医生。今天在我旁边是Kira. Kira, why are you here today?
So I had a long flight from Germany and I have neck and back issues.
Like sour pain, soreness.
Yes.
是酸痛。好的，我们刚刚做完身体检查，所以我们可以开始治疗。来吧。So you actually have a bit of a leg length imbalance here, Kira. Right leg is a little bit longer. So we'll, not too bad, but a little bit. So we'll try to correct that as well. Take a deep breath in and out. Very good. You alright? Still alive?
Yeah.
And out. Good. Very good. And relax. Very good. Perfect. You okay? And same thing on this side, so just relax. Very good. Oh, just relax. Good. Very good. Hey, Charles. Okay. And breathe in, Xi Qi, Hu Qi. Very good. And out. Good. 准备好大爆炸了吗? Are you ready for the Big Bang?
I am.
All right, 来吧, let's go. How tall are you, Kira?
167.
It'll be 170 after this.
I hope so.
So take a deep breath in, use your nose. And out. Good. Very good. And off. You probably felt that one, no?
Oh yeah.
Very good. Relax, relax. You good?
Very good.
Good. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Good. Anything in, breathe in and out. Good. Very good. Perfect. This is just basically to relax the muscle right here. It's quite common that you get a build-up of tension up in this area. Especially with someone who travels so much like yourself.
That's true.
好的，治疗结束了, our treatment is done. How are you feeling, Kira?
Well, first of all, thank you, and I feel relaxed, relieved, and I think I can finally sleep tonight.
Good.
So thank you very much.
That's awesome. 很厉害。
All right.
Cool. 我叫 Alex，我跟Kira 在 ChiroCare 开了堂，下次见，再见，拜拜。